Vikan's cleaning tools specialists typically meet you in person to conduct site surveys, discuss our latest innovations, and recommend tools that are the most suitable for your hygiene activities. We also help with color coding plans using our hygienic zone planner and provide all of our expertise and best practices to meet your sanitation challenges. But what happens if we can't meet in person? Due to hygiene restrictions, you may not be able to meet with us. Or you could be in a rush and need help before we can get to your physical location. If so, let me introduce you to Vikan's Virtual Site Survey, powered by Microsoft HoloLens. With this simple device, we can see what you see without being on site, and thanks to augmented reality, we will show you the tools you need and where you need them. It's simple. Just put the glasses on your head and join the Microsoft Teams meeting. So, if you are ready for a virtual site survey, just book a meeting on this page or contact your Vikan representative. Thank you for using Vikan products.